Hey guys, today I'm showing you this auto dispenser like the soap dispenser, and you can see it comes in nice packing. It describe everything it have on its box. Let me do the unboxing first. So these are the accessory set. These are the stickers that goes in the back for sticking on the tiles. Uh, so this is the soap dispenser. It's of plastic, but you can see like the quality is really nice. I can feel it here, and you can see that it's proper like a commercial grade or the commercial style design for this soap dispenser. So like to open it, we can use the supplied accessory. So it have this open key, so you can open this using this key. Like rotate it first and then press it to take this out. So press it and then take it out. So you have to rotate it first to unlock and then press it to get it out. So this is the battery compartment. Uses C batteries, 4 type C batteries. You can see like there are 4 type C batteries that needs to be put. This is the soap, so you can put the soap inside it, and these are the buttons on and off with the quantity of soap you want. So I will show that later on. So now I'm just putting in the batteries. So as I said, it uses 4 C batteries. Closing the cover, putting take you can take this out like the soap dispenser thing or the soap box, and you can put in the soap here. So I'm just putting in the soap, closing the cap, putting back into the soap dispenser, lock it. So remember, you have to on and off. So you have to on it once you're done with the soap. Then you can also off it like if you want to, but you can also choose the different volume of soap that you want. So you can use like small volume or the big volume of the soap you want. Close it, lock it, and just giving it a try. So it will take like 1 or 2 try to get the soap start get in the starting. So once it's done, to fix it on the wall, you can, or the tile, you just clean your tile properly, then make it dry. These are the stickers that come with it, like it is the silicone stickers. You take the one side of it, put it back on the soap dispenser. So I will just put it like this way. So the air bubble should come out, so just squeeze it so that all the air will come out of it and it will fix properly. So just repeat this process to take out all the air and fix all these 3 stickers in the back of the soap dispenser. Just take out the other outer side stickers of these silicone pads, silicone adhesive pads, and then you can just fix it on your tile. Just stick it on the tile, and there is supplied screws as well. If you want to use the screws, you can use the screws to get it fixed. So I'm just putting it in another corner so that you can see the different ways to use. It's pretty good to use.